Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
No more count dollars, whoa, maybe just a little bit.
Is this on, nigga? Okay, good, I'm gone, nigga. Oh, you ain't got no backwoods? Throw that shit in the bong, nigga. My whole team is strong, nigga. If you sign the checks, I get along with you. And everybody around me is signing checks and saying cheese like it's a palm picture, man. Woo! Trap remix, this, that, we're all black remix. Please understand at the age of 25, I already qualified for a black visa. I'm self-made in my black sneakers, white diamonds on a black t-shirt. I ain't one to make cash speeches, but I'm stacking paper like math teachers on homework night. It's homework night, so y'all motherfuckers better study up. And don't get it twisted, I'm deep in the hood, so y'all motherfuckers better buddy up. If you ready for war, then put your captains up. And if your stars in the sky, I'ma snatch them down. Sorry baby girl, I'm just passing through town, but be ready for a nigga when I'm back around. It's like materialistic, so don't twist it when you listen to this shit. And I ain't never ever paint a picture to get rich. I'm trying to give hope to the rebels.